Hi, in this video I will show you how to unpin Instagram post. And if you found this video helpful, please consider to subscribe. And now let's dive into it. So open the Instagram application, and from the main screen you have to go to your Instagram profile section. So click on the Instagram profile icon on the bottom right. And from this screen you will probably have more Instagram posts than I do. So just I will open this post. And I have already pinned this post on my Instagram profile. And I will unpin this post by clicking on the three dots on the top right. So I click on that three dots, and here you have the possibility unpin from your profile. So I will just click on this unpin from your profile, and this is it. This is all. This is how you can actually unpin posts from Instagram. And if you found this video helpful, please consider to subscribe and see you in the next one. Thanks, bye.